experience that we have, you should actually at least give a hint to the court, or maybe estimate hours that you spent when you are conducting that microscopic.
No, my lord, I can't do that from my date, my lord.
Ukuthi-ke ngenzela ukuthi angikwenzeke ukuthi ngiqageleke angikwazi ukuthi nje ngayikhumbuleka lokho.
How will the court know that how much you spent for you to give a precise and a thorough opinion on the works of Kenyan Mambi?
My lord, I cannot comment on this one, my lord.
Kulokho-ke ukuthi-ke inkantolo izokwazi kanjani ukuthi ngathatha isikhathi esingakanani akukho engakusho lapho.
Was it in the morning?
My lord, I cannot recall whether it was in the morning. Because I did not document